Hey guys, Seldom Pat here. Today I'm going to show you how to hack a Flash Game's Highscores. To do this, you're going to need Visual Basic and probably a decompiler, a Swift decompiler. You can get them from anywhere, pretty much. Look on Google. I might provide one in the description eventually, not straight away. If it's requested, I might put it in. For this video, I won't actually be showing you how to use the Swift decompiler because I've already hacked the Highscores of this game before, and I already know the code for it. But in another tutorial, I'll show you another game hack with the Swift decompiler. So, create a new project and the Windows Form application. And make sure that you have Shockwave Flash. Now, if you don't know how to get Shockwave Flash, just go to your toolbox and right click and find Choose Items, and then you go to Components. It's the second one if it's Visual Basic. There's like 6 with Visual Studio, and then just click once on anything and hit S, and it should bring you to the general region of Shockwave. And it's if you have Shockwave ActiveX control, it's not that, it's Shockwave Flash object. So I won't actually show you that. I'll try and if you need help, I'll do a tutorial, but I'm not actually going to show you that because it takes a fair bit of time. So go on, add your Shockwave Flash object in, drag it, press enter, double click, whatever you do, just add it into your form. So it's that. Okay, so just going to expand the form into the recording area, and then expand that. Now there's 2 ways of doing the button. But first, we're just going to change the name to the Shockwave Flash object from Axe Shockwave Flash 1 just to simply game. This is easier to type when you're putting stuff in, but you gotta remember it, otherwise it's not gonna work. So first thing, pretty close to the second thing, we're gonna put in game.movie equals, and then put a quotation, and then go to the game that you're going to hack the Highscores. I'm going to hack Snake, and what you got to do is you got to view page info, go to media and look for the embed. So that's the one there, I think. Yep. Now you're going to want to copy that link. It's not the URL, it's the embed link. Just make sure it's the embed link. So once you've copied that, go back to your quotations and then paste that link in the quotations. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to put a button. Now there's 2 ways of doing this. I'm going to show you both ways really quickly. Button 1 is going to be your own score. Now, keeping in mind that the top score for Snake is 350, obviously I'm not going to go over that, or it's not going to register. So for button 1, it's going to call Shockwave. Wait, forgot about that. Call game.setvariable. Wrong one. Set variable. You want to do bracket quotation underscore root dot score quotation comma textbox 1 dot text. Now what that means, basically whatever's in textbox 1 dot text is going to be my score. Score 1. Now score 2 is just going to be the 300 straight up, 350 straight up. So call game.setvariable bracket quotation underscore root dot score quotation comma and then 350. This basically means the score is going to go straight to 350. So with that done, let's click play. I know this is really rushed. If you don't understand it, feel free to comment. If I've missed anything, feel free to comment. Whatever. I'm pretty new to giving tutorials and stuff, so I'm still learning. So I'm just gonna go to new game. So dead. So I'm gonna put in 350, and then click score 1. So we can see that my score is 350. It's completely genuine. I'm just gonna die. Enter high score. You can check the high scores if you want straight after, but it probably won't be available for that long. That's my old thing. Don't swear. I swore once on it. I put in some obscenities and it didn't save. Obviously it picked it up. I'm just gonna put in YouTube smiley face, which obviously doesn't work. So save, and then I can see I am number 1 for today, 27th of September. That's the date. And yeah, you've hacked the high scores. You can do this with any game that has a high score, but some games are incredibly hard, some games are incredibly easy, like this game. Good luck hacking the high scores. Post a comment of games that you've hacked the high scores. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, hope it got through to you, hope it was simple. Rate, comment, subscribe. Done.